Oh my gosh, you guys, Mr. Postman is still alive. I have not made a video in a very long time. Sorry about that. I got some like acne on my face that I tried to pick off last night in my sleep, and yeah, I basically gouged myself. So please ignore that. That's gross, but whatever. I haven't made a video in a while. I've been busy, y'all. We had all this window perf that we had to install for schools. We had a ton of murals we had to install for schools, and we had to get it done in a certain amount of time. And I made so many videos with the intentions of making a video, and I never did. So what I thought I would do is just put together a little montage of all the stuff that I've been doing so far. I'm not gonna set anything up. The only thing I will set up is I do have this beautiful new racking system. I tried to find some online that was like used and stuff, but I just didn't have time for that crap. I just bought it on Uline and bit the bullet. But it's nice because now I got my chloroplast down here. I got the heavy ACM board 6mm here. I got the 3mm here. I got acrylic and whatnot there, some oversized stuff up above. So, and I got the 12-footer so that I can have some room to put all of the ink and supplies for the Mimaki. Down below here, I have the individual cuts of chloroplast 18x24, as well as right there is the 24x36 PVC boards that we use for event signs a lot. And then I got some extra storage here for like the extra shirts that we order for our screen printing. So we have been busy. Here's what we've been up to.
Huh? I do not want to be in your video.
You do not cause Good. It's a mama barn swallow.
What is it?
Barn swallow.
There's mama bird right there. Here's a little baby. Perfing with barn swallows. Wow. That is cool. Game day, race day.
Race day? I don't know.
I think this place would be more expensive on race day.
Yeah.
Little Miss Pac-Man.
Oh, hey, I got this game Galactica. They got 60 different games on. Ooh.
Woo! Oh, wow. Sure.
That was so good.
you alone. All right, here, pop it.
Are you serious?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the montage of what we have been up to the past little bit. We're going to be closed Monday and Tuesday. I hope you guys are. I hope you're taking a little bit of time off to celebrate America. Although we reach beyond just America. So you Brits that are out there, I know you watch our channel. Happy something to you. Celebrate with us. Have a pint. You know, enjoy it. Wednesday is my birthday. I'm a July 5th baby, but I should be back in the office probably Wednesday. And I promise I'm going to rededicate myself to making more videos. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.